Hello, Neve, and this is the last part of my Las Vegas mini vacation vlog. So, I hope you watched the part 1 and 2. So, if you have not, please watch it and come back here to watch the last part. Now we have reached the Grand Canyon, and as you can see, the black clouds. It was really very pleasant weather, and it was really nice. So this horseshoe shape which you just saw is called skywalk, and basically you walk on the glass and you can see the canyon down. So it's like almost like hanging there, and the photos, I mean the camera and phones, nothing was allowed there. So I couldn't show you from there, but this is very similar view. You get it from there, but always, yeah, you can look down when you go there on the on the glass and see. You can easily see down. At this point, we also took our meal, and the meal was good. As I said before, there were some vegetarian options, basically sandwiches, which was really nice. So now we are in the bus and we are going to the point number 2. So, like I said, this is point number 2, and they have a nice area again for food and for like a trail and a walking area. So, you can just walk and see around the canyon. So, like you see further, and you see like picnic tables, you can sit there, walk. So, enjoy. So this was the walking area, and if you see on the left, you can climb those, and go up and see and get a even better view. So yeah, so we were just walking here and enjoying, having fun. So now we are going back, and it was a nice weather. Again, it started drizzling, so throughout it stayed really nice. So now we are going back, and as I told you, I will show you Hoover Dam, which I showed you while going to Grand Canyon. So we will stop by before we head to our hotel or for dinner. So yeah, let's go to Hoover Dam. So we reached almost the Hoover Dam, which is on Lake Mead, and we reached little bit late as we were coming back, from Grand Canyon. So whatever the tours they have, which shows you, takes you down and tells you about dam, and so that stopped because it was late. I think after 6, if I remember. And by the time you see this vlog, it will be my birthday, which is August 23rd, Friday. So whatever I do on my birthday, I will take a vlog. I mean, I will try to show you. If it is not on the day of my birthday, later on, whenever, I will show you. So just enjoy the Hoover Dam for now. So now we are going back to our hotel. Before that, we just stopped for dinner, and then we just took a round of this strip. It's called Las Vegas Strip, which has all the hotels and all the lighting, and everything goes around here. So we just took a drive here and then went back to our hotel. So this is the next morning, and we just got ready, and now we are going for a buffet. Um, like I told you before, this hotel is a combination of two hotels. The one which we were staying, which is Encore, and the another one is Hotel Win. So we are going to the Hotel Win, and we are going to have the buffet. So they say that it's a very famous buffet. Now we are here and it's a long line. We came one day before also, but it was like about an hour line, so we didn't want to stay. Otherwise, we would have, late for Grand Canyon. So today we had some time. It was decorated really well, and this the buffet is very famous, but I didn't find it that great, especially for vegetarians. If you eat everything, then it's good for you, but not for me. So, yeah, that's it. And now we'll be heading home. I hope you like this vlog, and please watch my previous vlogs, part 1 and 2. And please subscribe and follow me on my social media. I'll see you next time. Bye.